Hi friends, welcome you educational platform. Today we know synonym. What is synonym? Synonyms are words that are similar or have related meaning to another words. Synonyms are words with very similar meaning. We take example pupil and learner are synonyms. They both meaning student making or student. Let's go to start words and synonyms. Aim word goal, accurate, exact, ability, capability, assist, help, answer, reply, arrive, reach, amend, rectify, angry, enact, benefit, advantage, build, construct, begin, start, big, huge, broad, wide, bold, brave, comment, remark, certain, sure, cry, shout or weep, complete, full or also whole, dangerous, risky, defeat, faulty, disease, illness, eager, keen, energy, power, free, independent, fair, just or beautiful, fine, nice, gain, profit, grow, produce, harm, damage, hide, conceal, ill, sick, idly, lazy, most, greatest, mistake, error, necessity, needs, nearly, about, praise, admire, particular, specific, quick, swift or rapid, quiet, calm, right, correct, roam, wander, rage, lift, shoot, clutch, speak, talk, soul, spirit, search, seek, small, little, slim, thin, strong, powerful, sharp, keen, severe, acute, still, motionless, tasks, work or job, trust, believe, faith, thankful, grateful, under, below, unite, join, vex, irritate, weary, tired, weak, feeble, wounded, injured, yield, produce, abandon, leave, allow, permission, absurd, unreachable, annual, yearly, afraid, frightened, annoy, irritate, anxious, concerned, buy, purchase, awful, terrible, brief, concise or short, celebrated, eminent, cheap, inexpensive, collect, gather, compulsory, obligatory, cruel, ruthless, cure, heal, dead, lifeless, dear, beloved, declare, announce, die, ditch, difficult, hard, doubt, suspect, enemy, opponent, enough, sufficient, essential, necessary, except, without, gentle, meek or mild, genuine, authentic, glad, happy, happen, occur, intimate, close, often, frequently, pain, agony, pardon, forgive, white, completely, simple, easy, wicked, bad or evil, part, person, love, affection, jump, leap or skip, try, attempt, vary, differ, neglect, ignore, select, choose, accept, receive, reject, refuse, valuable, precious. Thanks for completely watch my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.